A war has unfortunately broke out over the weekend. The total crypto market cap is dropping with very important events happening in the next 72 hours. And amid it all, two altcoins are having their own bull run as the whales are heavily accumulating. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications as you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. We've just shared our latest crypto holdings in Altcoin Buzz Alpha, and it includes some new gems and DCA opportunities. For more portfolio updates, gems, IDOs, flips, airdrops, and more, don't miss out. Check out Altcoin Buzz Alpha with the link down below. The weekend saw market participants fully focused on the abrupt breakout of war in Israel. As the markets themselves reopen, change is already afoot. The unfortunate conflict in Israel has caused a lot of death and destruction already, and while I can't pretend to be an expert in geopolitics, I do hope for some kind of peaceful resolution to it soon. This conflict has Bitcoin and crypto market participants anticipating the bulk of volatility still to come. With Bitcoin sitting around $27,500 at the start of the day, about $7 billion has been wiped out from the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and ETH, as investors sell out of more speculative altcoins. With the memory of Bitcoin's reaction to the war in Ukraine in February of 2022, Trader Gel was cautious over what might happen to Bitcoin next, saying, "All I do know is that the war in Ukraine triggered an 8% down candle, and that was erased within a day." Mike McGlone, senior macro strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence, meanwhile described Bitcoin as now showing a risk-off tilt among traders. He added, "My bias is the downward sloping 100-week moving average is likely to win the battle versus the uptrending 50-week. At the time of writing, the 100-week moving average was at 28,938, and the 50-week was at 24,890. In the US, attention focuses on the week's macroeconomic data prints, headlined by the September CPI report. After jobs data last week showed that employment levels remain resilient despite anti-inflation moves from the Fed, Bitcoin briefly recoiled over fears that officials would enact another interest rate hike, further pressuring liquidity. According to data from CME Group's FedWatch tool, markets are increasingly betting on rates staying at current levels on decision day set for November 1st. Beyond just CPI, this week we'll see the Producer Price Index or PPI release, along with more jobless claims, and a total of 12 Fed speakers delivering commentary. The minutes of the Fed meeting around the previous rate decision will also be unveiled on October 11th. The Kobayashi letter summarized in part of an X thread saying, "Huge week ahead for inflation and the Fed," providing a fleeting insight into the crypto market sentiment. The classic crypto fear and greed index reflects an overall era of indecision. As of October 9th, fear and greed sits at 50 out of 100, exactly halfway along its scale between two sentiment extremes. Crypto Tony on X said, "Fear and greed index is currently at 50 on Bitcoin. You know the drill. I will be mass buying when we drop down to extreme fear and a $20,000 Bitcoin. May take a while, but I feel Q1 and Q2 2024 will be the ticket. If I see a change in behavior, I'll reevaluate." Crypto Busy on X also wrote, "Volatile week ahead for Bitcoin in the crypto market with PPI data, FOMC meeting minutes, initial jobless claims, CPI data, ongoing war, and US government shutdown talks continue to escalate." Also, make sure to check out Randy's TA video today on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel to see the levels he's watching for on Bitcoin, linked down below. Stars Arena, a social platform backed by Avalanche's contract chain, has been hit with what the project calls a major security breach. Launched just last month following the sudden popularity of FriendTech, a social token-driven platform allowing users to create and monetize online communities, Stars Arena has been steadily increasing in popularity, enabling influencers, online content creators, and public figures to monetize their fan base by allowing access to exclusive content and offers. Stars Arena allows users to link their Twitter accounts and trade profile tokens using Avalanche's AVAX. Stars Arena launched just over a week ago and quickly gained a cult following among Avalanche community members, some of which earned as much as 1,000 AVAX in trading fees from the platform. It also helped bump prices of AVAX tokens by as much as 6% at one point during the week. It was highly considered as a clone of FriendTech, a social app based on Ethereum that grew to 100,000 users within weeks of its August release. Both apps let users purchase keys or shares of popular X users in turn for access to a closed chat room, which may offer various privileges to those holders. And then, late Friday night, the official Stars Arena Twitter account posted a warning that confirmed that the platform smart contract had been attacked, saying, "We're actively checking the issue. Do not deposit any funds." According to Redline, a self-described crypto expert who noticed the security breach, hackers transferred about 266,000 AVAX, worth roughly $2.85 million, using the fixed flow exchange service. Following the news, the price of AVAX dropped from $11.56 to $10.78, and users were encouraging each other to remove Stars Arena from their Twitter accounts. Hours later, Stars Arena apologized for the smart contract exploit and confirmed they were still under DDoS attack, adding, "We are working on a solution to get everyone's funds recovered and have the arena move forward." They then announced that a special white hat development team is coming in to rapidly review the security of the platform, and we will reopen the contract with all funds in full after the security audit. The breach comes just after a surge in transactions on Stars Arena, with volume increasing 248% in the last 24 hours prior to the attack. And earlier last week, an exploit allowed hackers to take $2,000 from Stars Arena. The exploit was soon fixed, but Stars Arena announced that they were at war with malicious actors in the space who want to steal your money. Earlier last week as well, Friendtech was also hit by hackers. The accounts of 4 users were drained, with those responsible making off with $385,000 in Ethereum. As it stands, it's not entirely clear when the project will reopen, but the team says that it will happen very soon. We also just posted a video on 5 altcoins that you don't want to be buying right now, which I recommend checking out, link down below. The first altcoin that's been surging lately is Bancor. Bancor, or BNT's price, was one of the best performing coins during the weekend. The BNT token surged to a high of 70 cents on Sunday, the highest level since August 9th of this year. At its peak, the token was at 80% above the lowest level this month, giving it a market cap of more than $82 million. The Bancor network is a player in the DeFi industry that makes it possible for people to trade cryptocurrencies. The network is made up of 4 key parts. It's Carbon DeFi, a decentralized protocol for automating on-chain trading strategies, as well as Arb Fastlane, a permissionless protocol to perform arbitrage between Bancor and external exchanges. The other key parts are Bancor 3, a single-side liquidity provider, and Bancor DAO. It's unclear why the Bancor token pumped during the weekend, since there was no major news in the ecosystem. A likely reason is that the surge was simply a pump because BNT is a relatively thin traded token. Another potential reason is that Bancor has experienced an increase again due to Upbit, South Korea's largest cryptocurrency exchange. A crypto wallet thought to originate from Upbit accumulated a total of 4.71 million Bancor for $2.45 million. For Bancor, a small-scale cryptocurrency, this is a huge amount. With this purchase, the wallet in question added 3.3% of the Bancor token supply to its asset all at once. The other likely reason is the growth of the Arb Fastlane protocol. In a recent statement, the developers noted that the volume in the protocol has surged to its highest level on record, signaling that it was still growing fast. Meanwhile, futures open interest surged by more than 1,200% in the last 24 hours, and it jumped to more than $101 million in trading volume, its highest on record. Bancor's price has jumped above the 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages as the volume spiked. Therefore, I suspect that the token price will retreat this week as the pump fades. If this happens, the Bancor token will likely retest an important support at 50 cents. And the second altcoin that's having its own rally is Storage. Storage is an open source cloud storage platform. Basically, it uses a decentralized network of nodes to host user data. The platform also secures hosted data using advanced encryption. As a decentralized cloud storage network, Storage is unique in more ways than one. For one, unlike traditional cloud storage solutions that store data in a huge data center, Storage runs on a network of thousands of independent computers. Anyone with a few extra terabytes of space can become a node on the platform, and the efficiency of the network means that hosts pay far less for storage of their data than when employing traditional cloud storage services. According to Spot on Chain, 5 fresh addresses jointly accumulated a massive amount of 46.816 million storage, currently worth $23.9 million, or 11% of the total supply, from Binance and OKX over the past month. Notably, the storage price has surged by more than 106% during that period, and all 5 addresses still hold their storage. The recent price boom has elevated Storage into the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap as investors bet on increasing enterprise and consumer demand for decentralized storage solutions. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.